Alright, here we are on the way home. Just picked up the RV out of storage. Been in there for about 5 months now, hibernating, so to speak. So we're gonna go ahead and dust her off at home. And first thing we're gonna do to kick off the season is install a new air intake. Once we do that, we got a new custom tuner file from 5-Star, and we'll go ahead and load that into the ECM and see how she runs after that. Alright, first things first, we have to remove the doghouse. Okay, now we have everything laid out here on the dinette table. And all the parts that came for this air intake. Along with the all-important installation manual. Now we're ready for the install.
Nope. Let's pull that tube off.
What the camera didn't record was me removing the bolts from the intake. And now it's time to assemble the intake.
Good. Good.
Alright, here we are resetting the computer to factory stock. Just a quick disclaimer, it's been over a week since we installed the air intake. There was an issue with the tuner file, so we had to ask 5-Star Tuning for a new one. We've got it and we're ready to install it now. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and load our tuner file, so load custom file. Alright, now we're all set to go ahead and program the RV. Alright, here we go. Alright, tune is complete. Let's go ahead and unplug this. Let's see how she sounds. Engine sounds great. Now we're going to take it for a drive. Alright, here we are on a test drive. We've done a mix of back roads and interstate. I can tell you we were on Interstate 95 to 65 miles an hour, no problem. I can definitely feel more power, better throttle response. So overall, very pleased with this install on the RV. Definitely a great upgrade to our V10 engine. Thanks to 5-Star Tuning for great customer support. They gave us that custom tuner file. We were able to load it into the ECM. And overall, great experience, easy install from my perspective. So thanks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And of course, no install is really complete until you apply the stickers.